It's day 11 already. We're ready for day 11, door number 11. I am April Davis with April Davis Creations, and I have been sharing with you my series for the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar. Every day I've been opening up one door, sharing with you the item that's behind that door, and then also a project that I have created with that item that was behind that door. So we are ready to move to day number 11. So let's go ahead and open up our calendar. And day number 11 is right here. It's a big door. And behind this door, we have some, I'm going to call it glitter glue. How fun is this? Basically, what you can do is you can take and you can create little glitter dots with this glue. And you got several options. You can actually do it on your project if you choose to, or you can take a piece of acetate. I'm just going to show you quickly on a piece of plastic that I have here. But basically what you can do is you can just squeeze out your glue and then let it dry. And then once it's dried, you can use take your pick to pull it up off of your plastic. It's hard to see, but it's got lots and lots of sparkle in it. Can you guys even see that? Probably not. It's really hard. Let me get up close. Nope, it's going to get blurry. Anyway, I tried, but really, really pretty. So I'm going to set this off to the side because I'm going to let it dry and I'm going to get it out of the way. But look at how big this bottle is. You guys are going to be able to create all kinds of things with this. And I'm going to show you the card that I made with this. See if you guys can see it. But basically what I did is I took the stamps from the stamp set and I created my own background on my cardstock. And then I took our labels, the banner dies, and I created, is that right? It may have already come with this. I can't even remember now, guys, but it's in the tutorial. But we've got a banner here, and I've got the designer series paper that came with the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar. I've got a label, the gold foiled edged labels. I've got a label here and I put some designers or some cardstock on that. I've got another label that came with the gold edging and typed Miss You, I stamped Miss You in crumb cake. And then I've stamped several butterflies and fussy cut those. And then I die cut a flower from the dies. Remember, there's lots of dies that come with your advent calendar. And then the featured product is the glitter glue. So I've got glue in the middle of this flower. And then I did 3 little dots on each one of these. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going to try to tilt it so you can see. But it's so fun because it sparkles. I hope I can catch the sparkle in the camera. But basically, after I did that, then I just set it off to the side to dry, and now it's dry to the touch. I can touch everything, but how fun was that? If you like this card and you want to know how to create it, I have a tutorial that I have created for the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar. One project for each day. This is day number 11, but one project for each day. And if you're interested in the tutorial for free, you can place an order for the Advent Calendar in my online store. And as my special gift for saying thank you, I will send you the tutorial for free with all 12 projects. If you like the idea of having the tutorial to have some crafty ideas as to how to utilize your projects that came in the Crafting Advent Calendar, then you can go to my aprildaviscreations.com website. There's a tab for shop, there's a PDF store, and you can purchase the tutorial through the PDF store. So today was fun with our glitter glue, and this was the fun card that was created utilizing that product. I will be back tomorrow and we are going to do day number 12. See you soon.